How to set a time period to sync calendar events on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Apps. Next, tap on Calendar. Now in here, we then scroll down and then tap on Sync. In here, you can set a time period. So we've got events 2 weeks back, or you can sync for events 1 month back, 3 months back, and 6 months back. Or you can choose to sync all events. And that's it. So select one of the available options and then tap on the back key, or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.